Hello, my name is Naveenan Murugesu and I'm an application development consultant with the Developer Relations team in Research in Motion. Today, I'm going to take the next few minutes to introduce you to Sencha Touch framework and talk a little bit about it. For those unfamiliar with Sencha Touch, it's an impressive JavaScript framework based entirely on HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript that is designed to bring an incredibly powerful set of components to create a rich mobile applications. Today's Sencha Touch release not only brings support for BlackBerry 10, but it also supports BlackBerry Playbook tablet. Sencha Touch enables you to quickly and easily create HTML5 based mobile apps that work on Android, iOS, and BlackBerry devices and produce web apps that look and feel like native applications. The question you might ask, why Sencha while there are numerous JavaScript frameworks? Here's the reason why. Data management. In general, Sencha has done a nice job with data management. The genius and flexibility can be found in how they have broken up the data access responsibilities into model, proxy, store, reader, and writer components. The automatic translation from JSON to model objects with typed properties is mighty nice. Thanks to the division of responsibilities where you can easily swap in different types of data sources or destinations. The solution is clearly better than the typical active record implementation you see in many of the frameworks. UI framework. Toolbars, panels, buttons, icons, cards, carousel, tabs, and more. There's no other UI framework for JavaScript that provides this much guidance or components with this level of sophistication and performance optimization. Sencha is the only solution that truly leverages object-oriented programming throughout their framework. Offline capabilities. Take your web application data offline in minutes with a simple API. Session storage and local storage are easy proxy types provided right out of the box that can be used to toggle your web application into an offline state. Testing. Sencha's frameworks play well with Jasmine, a popular open source framework for testing JavaScript code. Documentation, training, and support. Sencha offers a rich set of online API documentation as well as professional training classes. From a personal experience, they are quite helpful and enjoyable. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the key features provided by Sencha Touch. Ajax. Sencha Touch provides full Ajax support, including cross-origin resource sharing and JSONP. A JSONP provides a method to request data from a server in a different domain. DOM manipulation. Full DOM manipulation support available, which means you can manipulate your HTML and XML using the DOM-related methods provided by Sencha. Feature detection automatically detects the presence of features like geolocation, canvas, and orientation support. Geolocation provides a simple wrapper around geolocation on devices that support it. Icons. Over 300 icons are included in the framework. Touch events provides a full range of touch events like tap, swipe, and pinch. Let's look at some of the UI components supported by Sencha Touch. Forms. Most apps that require user input will make use of forms. Forms in Sencha Touch are a wrapper around normal HTML5 forms with additional options for validating and submitting data, plus an easy way to lay fields out in pleasing visual style. Tab panel. Tab panels are a great way to allow the user to switch between several pages that are full screen. Carousel. Carousels like tabs are a great way to allow the user to swipe through the multiple full screen pages. List. Sencha Touch provides a list component which is ideal for presenting an index style list of items. Nested list. Nested list is a component in Sencha Touch which provides interface to navigate between nested sets of data with a clean and easy to use interface. In addition to all these features and components, Sencha Touch 2.1 includes a beta version of BlackBerry 10 theme. With this beta support, you can start building BlackBerry 10 themed HTML5 applications using the framework. The action bar is placed at the bottom to give a native look to the applications. And the form elements have the BlackBerry 10 native look and feel. Now, let's actually create an application using Sencha Touch. Package it using BlackBerry WebWorks SDK and deploy it on a BlackBerry 10 device. Creating the application using Sencha Touch is quite easy. Make sure you are in the Sencha Touch SDK directory and type Sencha generate app. And I'm going to name the application as BB10 sample. And I'm going to specify the current directory for the application to be created. This will generate the skeleton for Sencha Touch applications. The skeleton app contains all the files you need to create a touch applications, including default index.html, a copy of the Touch SDK, CSS, images, and configuration files for packaging your app for native. Let's take a quick look at the files. App is a directory containing the models, views, controller, and stores for your app. App.js is the main JavaScript entry point for your app. App.json is your application configuration file. Index.html is the main HTML file for your app. Resources is a directory containing the CSS and images for your application. Now, we are almost ready to package this with the BlackBerry WebWorks packager. We need to add the configuration document for the WebWorks packager, or known as the config.xml. The BlackBerry WebWorks configuration document is an XML file contains the elements to define the BlackBerry WebWorks application namespace, the name of the application, application permissions, the start page, and the icons to use for the application. For more info about config.xml, refer to the main developer site at developer.blackberry.com/html5 and read the documentation. So here's the config.xml file, and we are ready to package the application now. To package it, you simply switch to BlackBerry WebWorks SDK directory and type bbwp, which stands for BlackBerry WebWorks Packager, followed by the application's root folder, followed by the key store password for signing it, and specify a build ID, and finally specify a directory where you want the sign bar to be created. If you are not familiar with the BlackBerry WebWorks or need more information about packaging and signing it, you can always go to developer.blackberry.com/html5 for more information. Now that we have packaged the application with the BlackBerry WebWorks SDK and we have produced a sign bar file, we are ready to deploy your application onto a BlackBerry 10 device. To deploy the application on the device, we use the BlackBerry deploy command found in the BlackBerry WebWorks SDK directory. BlackBerry deploy with install app, followed by the device password and device IP address, the location of the bar file. Again, these steps are all well documented in our developer website. That's it. We are done. We can see the application running on a live device now. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or need more clarifications about using Sencha Touch for BlackBerry 10, please reach out to me via email or Twitter. I'll be happy to assist you.